Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix mobile menu appear or show behind top bar in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout and then you see top bar and then you see menu. So now open it and then you see mobile menu appear behind top bar. Now close, again expand. Now you see, so we are going to fix it. So this issue occurred because of z index value. So our top bar z index value higher than mobile menu z index value. So we are going to fix z index value for top bar. So first we are going to find out class or id for top bar and then we are going to add z index. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see id in div tp br underscore top bar. So we are going to use this id and then you see z index value 999. Now we are going to change it here first to check. Now make it 0. Now you see mobile menu show above top bar. Now increase value again you see. So we are going to set z index value 0. Now go to customize section in additional css. So we are going to add custom css for mobile layout. Now you see we are using media only screen, maximum width 1000 px. So you can add maximum width for mobile layout according to requirement. Mostly person use or people use 767 px. Now paste, then you see id hash tpbr underscore top bar z index 0 important. Now publish. So you can add your class or id here. So you can find your class or id by using inspect element for top bar. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now website open and then expand mobile menu. Now you see mobile menu appear above top bar. Now close, again open. So you can find all css in video description or in comment section. So you can add your custom class or id for custom css and then add that index value according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.